The Employment Rights Act 2025 has been described as the greatest shift in employment legislation in decades, and over the next few years it is going to affect many different areas of working life. From probation to the steps you take to protect staff from third-party harassment, so many policies and processes are going to need to be reviewed and rethought. HR professionals already know this, of course. The harder part is knowing exactly what they're expected to do, because although the Employment Rights Act was passed last December, in many cases the detail is only going to come in the form of regulations afterwards. For example, in October, the government is introducing a new duty for employers to inform workers of their right to join a union. There was a consultation on this last year, but we're still awaiting the final wording of the legislation. So what do we know about it currently? Well, the duty goes further than informing workers of their right to join a union. The government has said that it wants employers to give employees information about what unions do, too. We're expecting a government template to help with that. New starters should receive a copy of this when they receive their contract of employment, but reminders will also have to be issued at regular intervals to existing employees. This might be done via an intranet page or a physical notice board, depending on how you regularly communicate with staff. This duty is unlikely to be a purely administrative change. By raising awareness, it is likely to result in increased union membership. So expect changes. How can HR best prepare? Informing employees about trade unions' rights is closely linked to how well organisations listen to people and involve them in decisions. So review current practices around employee relations. In non-unionised organisations, think about whether you have effective ways of consulting and engaging with staff, for instance via staff councils or employee forums. Are those arrangements working, or could they be improved further? In unionised organisations, adopt best practice and cultivate constructive relationships with both unions and staff. This means good communication, effective dispute resolution procedures, and a collaborative approach. And finally, look out for the published regulations so that you have everything ready for the 1st of October. Brightmine, of course, will have all the materials you'll need to do that.